How many strawberries are there in the bowl?
There are too many strawberries in the bowl. There are a lot of strawberries in the bowl. There are lots of strawberries in the bowl. There are some strawberries in the bowl. There are a few strawberries in the bowl. There are not many strawberries in the bowl. There are very few strawberries in the bowl. There are few strawberries in the bowl. There aren't any strawberries in the bowl. There are none.
How much honey is there in the jar?
There is too much honey in the jar. There is a lot of honey in the jar. There is lots of honey in the jar. There is some honey in the jar. There is a little honey in the jar. There is not much honey in the jar. There is very little honey in the jar. There is little honey in the jar. There isn't any honey in the jar. There is none.
You should remember to drink plenty of water when exercising.
Beat the eggs for several minutes before adding them to the pan.
She always checks the food label to see the amount of fat that a product contains.
The number of people who are taking up Pilates has increased.
All the ingredients in this recipe are fresh.
I'm afraid there are no free tables. All of them are booked.
Both waiters have worked at this restaurant for over 10 years.
Both of us would like the grilled chicken as a main course.
Tom and Mark each ate half a pizza.
I make sure that half of the food in my diet is fresh fruit and vegetables.